Hello, hello, hello. Hope you all had a wonderful day today. For those of you that don't know, my name is Terza Andrews. Welcome to my page. Welcome to my live. If you're watching this live for the very first time, please put in the comment section hashtag live. If you're watching it after the live, please put in the comment section hashtag replay. Good evening. Today I wanted to talk to you about what is the most important thing that you should focus on as a business owner? What is the most important thing you need to focus on? Being a business owner is very difficult. You have to work hard, and you have to stay planted and rooted on your goals and ambitions. You can't allow your circumstances or situations to drive you away from what it is that you're planning on doing. So what is the most important thing you need to do? What do you need to focus on? And I know some of you are planning on having your own home-based business, but the most important thing you need to remember is that you got to, number one, connect with the people that is going in the direction you want to go in. You want to make sure that it's a successful. Hey, how are you? Welcome, welcome. Anna, welcome. You got to make sure that whoever you're connected to, that you're mirroring and modeling after those that are where you intend to be. The 6- and 7-figure earners. Oftentimes as believers, we think we have to be perfect. Well, there's no one perfect. No one is perfect. You're not perfect. You may never be perfect. But you can start today doing the things that's necessary to put yourself in a position to prosper in your business. And there's one thing that you really need to focus on. Hello, how are you? Welcome. Please put in the comment section live. If you're visiting me for the first time, you can put 111 in there, okay? Thank you so much for joining me. Now, it's very important that you understand that as a home-based business owner, that it's going to take a lot of tenacity. That means a lot of patience. You're going to have to endure some things. You're going to fall short in some areas. But as I stated before, nobody is perfect. Okay? So you have to make sure you link up with the people or a business model that's going to keep you grounded. It's going to keep you focused on the things that you need to focus on. You want a platform that works, okay? If you connect with me, you can visit me at United Growth Unlimited. We're doing a live webinar tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. Please connect with us at our group webinar, and we'll give you even deeper details about owning your own home-based business. But right now I want to talk to you about what's the most important thing. What do you think, Anna, is the most important thing that you need to focus on as a business owner? Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Let me know what you're thinking. See, because oftentimes we focus on the wrong things. And we need people that's already been there, done that. They can keep us on course. That'll keep us on the right track. And as I stated before, my name is Terza Andrews, and I'm here to be an assistant to you. I'm not here to give you a handout, but I'm here to give you a hand up, to give you basic value about how to own your own home-based business. For me, I started in August of 2020. Okay, I've become a 4-figure earner online. I'm running a successful home-based business because I'm following and mirroring after those that have gone before me. I'm getting the actual training that I need in order to be successful in my home-based business. I'm not being tossed to and fro. You understand? I don't have to worry about being fired on my job. I don't have to worry about somebody telling me when I could take a break or when I could take a bathroom break. Okay? I don't have to worry about any overhead. I don't have to worry about having people that's saying to me, where's my paycheck? You know why? Because I'm in control of my own wealth. And if you're one of those people that are looking to be successful in your own home-based business, you need to make sure that you are connecting with the right people. Now, I'm not going to hold you long, but I want you to understand that the most important thing that you need to be working on is you. That's right. You are the most important thing that's connected to your business. You. And we'll go a little bit more into that webinar tomorrow about how the things that you'll learn by connecting to the platform that we're connected to. Okay? We're here to give you a hand up, not a hand out. And we want you to understand that if you don't begin to work on and begin to focus on the things that is connected to you, then you're going to miss the whole gamut. It's very important that you take the time to brand yourself. Who are you? What is it that you desire? What is it that you plan on accomplishing? Okay, so that's the very first thing that you need to work on. This is the thing that you need to focus on. This is the most important thing. You, because without you, there is no business. Okay, who are the people that are connected to you? How can you help them? How can you solve their problems? That's why we're here. We're here to solve problems, right? Giving you solutions. Now, there's been different models, different platforms, different home-based businesses, different MLMs, and different types of things that you could do at home. But are they teaching you how to focus on you? What is it about you that make people want to work with you? For those of you that have joined me and that have connected with me, that are following me, I've always said, I don't want you just to follow me. I want you to do as I do. Connect in a way that you have multiple streams of income. Okay? You want to be able to have income coming from different places. Okay, you don't want to have one stream of income, because if that income stops, then what? Okay, I have been fortunate enough to live in a house that I don't have to pay for. Okay, yes, I have a husband. Guess what? I still live in a house that I don't have to pay for. You understand? I drive a car that I don't have to pay for, and I can focus on me and who I am and what I desire and what I want to do in my life. How can I solve your problem? How can I help you get to the next level, Denise? How can I help you move to the next dimension of your life, Shantae? How can I help you increase your bottom line, Aaron? How can I help you do what it is that you desire to do on on a larger platform? Jessica, how can I help you today? Okay? How can I serve you? See, one thing about me is that I've always been interested in serving. And in serving my community, I've always wanted to tell people, listen, it takes more than just a love for people. You have to have compassion. But everybody doesn't have compassion. What is it about you that's going to make this life, this world, a better place for somebody else? Again, my name is Terza Andrews. It's been my pleasure to be with you today, and I hope I gave you some food for thought. Focus on you, what you desire, and where you want to go. It is you that's going to change somebody else's life. You are the key to someone else's blessing, okay? And so tonight, I just want to say thank you for dropping by. Thank you for coming to visit with me. I love you. God bless you. And I look forward to seeing you over the top. Have an amazing night. Take care. Bye-bye.